8 on your side is getting results tonight. Last week, we reported on a man accused of selling faulty appliances. Well, Clearwater police arrested him yesterday. Pinellas County Bureau reporter Christy McClarty is joining us live from his appliance store because you got a chance to catch up with him today.
We sure did. And here's an example of one of his ads that police gave us. This is his ad on Facebook Marketplace promising a stainless steel package in mint condition. But here are the pictures of what the customers received. A dishwasher filled with used detergent and a rusted out refrigerator.
I haven't seen anything like this in my 23 years here. This is, just looking at that refrigerator is disgusting.
Clearwater police arrested James Holacek on a felony charge of scheme to defraud.
You all say you're victims of James Holacek?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Last week, 8 on Your Side spoke with these 3 women who said Holacek sold them broke-down machines with worthless warranties.
The washing machine that we bought and paid close to $600 for is sitting here in our scrap pile.
Kimberly Chandler, founder and CEO of Fluff Animal Rescue nonprofit, says his lies are impacting animals.
These guys have to wait for clean sheets. I mean, we go through sheets and towels and potty pads like they're water.
We told her Holacek was arrested.
Well, I mean, I think great.
But already bonded out.
Not so great, because when you look at the past, it's not the first time.
Police say Holacek has an extensive background of fraud over the past couple decades and already served time for it. So today, we went to speak with him. Do you have any comment about getting arrested last night? Curtis Gales says 8 on Your Side saved him a lot of money.
I just gave him $1,000 for this room. And y'all show up? Yeah, nah,
We told Gales, according to public record, Holacek is facing an eviction notice on that property.
He went in his little wallet and thing. He said, here you go, you count it back. So I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I said, it seemed like y'all telling the truth.
Do you have anything to say to the thousands of dollars you've taken from people? What about Fluffy Animal Rescue? He left and didn't come back.
He need to get his behind whooped. Something.
Clearwater police released this community information request today, asking anyone who's fallen victim to James Holacek to come forward. His court date has yet to be set. Reporting live in Clearwater, Christine McClarty, 8 on Your Side.